As a consumer, Mayank, if I were to pick a health insurance policy, what should I look at? What are the factors I need to consider when I pick a good health insurance policy for myself?
First one is, I would say, the coverage. That does it cover everything that I would want to be covered? Are there exclusions? What is included? And I think to what I said earlier also, that please do make sure that you ask the seller the questions around what will I not be funded for in this policy.
And is there a wide variation between an X policy and a Y and what they would cover?
There could be. There could be. I mean, the variation is reducing over a period of time because again, the regulation is now kind of standardizing, the extent of exclusion that you can give. To that extent, it is definitely improved from where it used to be. But there are products where there are still lots of exclusions, sub-limits, and you'll be surprised at the time of claim. So please ask that question. That's one, which means the range of benefits. The second one is the extent of cover. How much sum assured should I take? I think that is something that the consumer should be very, very clear in terms of what they think, and depending on where you stay. But more importantly, typically some consumers have this thing that I want the best quality, care. So I'm willing to travel to, let's say, Mumbai from a far off area. I'm sitting in Rajkot, but I'll fly to go to Mumbai to get the best treatment. Please make sure that you buy adequate insurance, because the cost can be high. And coming back to the benefits itself, I think so you should have a base indemnity policy which provides as much cover as which is actual expenses, and on top of that you should then start thinking of other range of benefits which you can buy, which could be disease specific condition, which could be critical illness benefits, which are fixed lump sum amount that you get, which not just takes care of your potential healthcare expense, but also takes care of other financial burden that comes up in a healthcare event, which is not necessarily the hospitalization expense. It could be loss of income, it could be other financial stress that happens. So comprehensiveness is very important, but for that the consumer must ask and understand what they are buying, rather than just sometimes we trust the seller too much. Please don't do that.